Hey there, and here we are at Aldi, rocking the mom bun again. We're here for another weekly grocery haul and meal plan inspiration. So make sure you guys give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel. It makes me so happy, and let's go shopping. Here we are back from Aldi, and here is our haul. Today I got a few fun things, a few seasonal things, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, starting over here with our vegetables, I grabbed, they had spaghetti squash, acorn squash, and butternut squash on sale. They were like 69 cents a pound, so I grabbed one of these spaghetti squash. These are really great to substitute pasta or grains in meals, and as well as an additional vegetable. So I grabbed one of these. I might use it this week, I might not. I might just save it for next week. I have here some peppers. These are good in stir fries. That's what I like to use them for. Same thing with this broccoli. I'm going to use most of this broccoli for stir fry. Onions, because I ran out of onions, so I had to restock on those. I grabbed some mushrooms, again for stir fries. I love the combo of the mushrooms, the peppers, and broccoli. They make a really nice combination. And then I grabbed some Roma tomatoes. And over here I have some cilantro. This is going to be primarily used for a spicy Thai lentil soup that I'm making this week. And some pantry staples. I grabbed this sesame oil, the toasted sesame oil. They don't normally have this at Aldi, but I found it in their Aldi Find aisle, and coincidentally I needed some as well, and this is actually a lot, so I will not be needing to buy sesame oil for a while, which is a good thing. Next, I have some vegetable stock here. Normally I make my own, but I'm going through the stock that I already made really quick, so I just grabbed some so I don't run out. And as well as I grabbed a bottle of canola oil. Moving over, I have these seltzer waters, assorted flavors. There's cherry, key lime, there's strawberry, and there's some peach hiding back there. I have like 12 of those. Bananas, I get bananas every week. My son eats them for breakfast every morning. As well as these squeezes in different assorted flavors. They were a little light on the flavors this week. They were a little light on a lot of things this week at my Aldi, but that's okay. We still grabbed a bunch of those. I think I had like 10 of these. And they're really great because they're organic, and you know, you kids get in their vegetables and stuff. That's why I continue to buy them. Also here I got some marshmallow cream, aka Fluffernutter. I am using this in a hand pie recipe that I will be posting Monday, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss it. They're super cute. As well as I got this natural creamy peanut butter. It's got the oil separation. I prefer the natural peanut butter, but they of course have both kinds. And of course, what is peanut butter without jelly? I grabbed the blackberry fruit spread, the blackberry preserves. These ones, I don't know, I'm sure they're good. My husband requested either blackberry or blueberry, so we went for the blackberry. Also here, grabbed some black pepper. I usually buy the one with the grinder. But because I'm making black pepper tofu this week, I just wanted something easy that I could just measure without having to grind. Works my forearms way too hard. Also some ground turmeric, just because I am out of that and I'm going to be needing that again for the Thai dish. I grabbed a couple packets of the tuna. I have some of the original as well as the sweet and spicy. I really do like the sweet and spicy. And that is going to be really good for lunches, and I'm going to put it on croissants or just right out of the package is good too. Chicken wings. I grabbed a bag of chicken wings. They have these over in the freezer section and they're like $10.99, $11, I don't know. I put the price on top. So I grabbed one of those because I like to have chicken wings. I'm probably not going to use them this week, but I will keep them in my freezer and roll it onto next week's meals. All right, what else do we have here? I grabbed some fish sticks. We have the wild caught breaded fish sticks. My son loves fish sticks, so this is an option for lunch or dinner in case he doesn't like what we're having. Got some cheeses here. Have some mild cheddar and Parmesan, and as well as some American cheese, mostly just because I'm out of American cheese. I don't really need that for anything in particular. And then I also grabbed this honey. I'd rather be at the sea cheese. It's cheddar cheese, and it's seasoned with sea salt and honey. So I thought that would be really interesting. The cheeses I bought last week, it was like a strawberry and prosecco and a sage one, and those were really good. They were the little Halloween themed ones. So if you guys can find those at your Aldi, grab them. They're delicious. I saw these on sale. This one is a sun-dried tomato and garlic, and so I grabbed 2 of these, and I'll probably make these as a meal for next week, not this week, because I didn't know they had these. These were in the Aldi Find aisle on sale, like I said, so I grabbed those. They look good. Okay, another specialty selected item. Grilled crostini toast. They had garlic and herb, and then they had sea salt. They have this whole like charcuterie board display section right now, probably for the holiday season, and they had these crostini toasts. So I thought we would give those a try. I don't know, they look fancy, they look good. I like charcuterie. So we'll try that probably with our cheese here. And then they had this on sale. They had a pumpkin spice latte. I think they also had like apple caramel or something. These are dog treats, and I thought they were just super cute. I have 2 dogs of my own. I have a black lab and a golden retriever, so I'm sure they will love those. Over here, I grabbed these. I don't think these are the packages. They didn't have the individual packages, which I usually like, but I grabbed these just to have as a snack, mostly for my son. And some coffee. The cups are for my husband to take to work. And then I have here the house blend. It's medium roast, and this one is going to be for home. I wish they still had the Halloween flavored coffees. Those were killer. But alas, we have to settle for not. I think it's safe to say I am addicted to their chicken salad now. I have the cranberry almond chicken salad for this week. That looks so good right now because I am hungry. I also grabbed a tofu. This was the last one on their shelf, so I am glad that they had it. Hopefully they're going to keep restocking it. My Aldi at least has been struggling keeping up lately with keeping their shelves stocked. This was another item that was over in the charcuterie board section. Herb to cheese stuffed peppers. So they're cherry peppers, and they have some, what does that say? Greek style cheese and herbs. So I'm assuming it's like a soft kind of cheese. But yeah, I've had these before. I haven't had this brand from Aldi, but I do like these. So I'm sure these are really good. As well as some roasted garlic hummus for some pita chips that I already have. Moving down the line a little bit here, I grabbed some chicken thighs. They also had chicken breasts in the large family packs for $1.79 a pound, so I grabbed one of these, and I'm going to throw that in my freezer. We have croissants here. So I realized they have like 3 different kinds of croissants. They have the 6-pack here, these ones. They have a 4-pack of, they call them all butter croissants, and they're a little bit bigger than these. And then they have like the itty bitty croissants, you know, the little ones that are like that big, and they're good for like brunches and stuff like that. So I opted for the 6-pack one. And I also grabbed a pound of bacon, flour again, just to restock my stock. And I grabbed a package of diapers, the size 4 for my son. I do like their baby products. I've never had a problem with them. For my son, they also had these adorable mini birthday cake animal cookies, and they have like the iced oatmeal animal cookies right now too, as an Aldi Finds. So I grabbed one of those. I thought they were really cute. The pita puffs, I got the cheese pizza this week. I got the pepperoni pizza last week, and they were good. I mean, they tasted exactly what you might expect them to taste like. And then the last couple of things that I got are not food items, but I thought they were super cute. We have this little wooden sign, come in for a bite, and then if you flip it over, get your get your fat pants ready. So I thought this was super adorable. They had a couple different ones with a couple different sayings on each side, but I thought this was perfect because you can use it for Halloween and then for Thanksgiving. And then lastly here, I have these glass storage containers. I have a couple of these already. They're not the exact ones, but they're very similar. And the ones I was looking at buying online are like double the price. So I decided to grab these. This was the last one that they had. They were like $12, so I had to go for it, being the last one. But yes, that is it for our haul today, and thank you so much for watching, and please stick around if you're looking for some meal plan inspiration. I have it for you right now. Alrighty, and here is our weekly meal plan for this week. For breakfast, I plan on having options of waffles. We can do toast or cereal, and then that can be served with yogurt and banana. Lunch, we can do tuna, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, or fish sticks, which I will serve with a squeeze for my son. And also, the tuna can be served on the croissants. Monday, I'm going to serve black pepper tofu with rice for dinner. The black pepper tofu is basically a crispy tofu that gets sauteed in a black pepper sauce, and then I'm going to serve it up with, you know, some rice and veggies. Tuesday, I'm going to be making a spicy Thai lentil soup. I have lots of lentils in my pantry, and this is something that I've been wanting to use up, so I went for a vegetarian, sorry, there's a B, a vegetarian spicy Thai lentil soup. Wednesday, I'm going to do pasta with herbs and Parmesan cheese, a little bit of butter, a little bit of herbs, and some of that shredded Parmesan cheese. Thursdays, I'm going to do the clams. I actually bought these clams last week, if you caught last week's video. They were on sale at Aldi, so I'm going to serve up those clams with some scalloped potatoes. Friday, I'm going to do chicken nachos. I'm going to use up, probably it'll be the rest of the 5-pound box of the chicken tenders that I bought about 2 or 3 weeks ago now. Going to finish those up and use them in nachos. Nachos are a great option for dinner because you can make a whole family style serving, and they're super easy. You can use up leftover ingredients in the fridge. Saturday, we're doing pizza. We're going to be having a little like pumpkin carving get together with some family, so we're just going to order some pizza in for dinner. And then Sunday, I will be making some General Tso seitan. I still have a bunch of Vital Wheat gluten left, and I'm going to make up some seitan, saute it with the General Tso sauce. You can always buy this in the store, but it's easy to make if you have the ingredients at home. And just stir fry it with some vegetables. Maybe I'll make rice. I don't know. We'll see. But that is it for the weekly meal plan. And please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out, guys. And don't miss Monday's video. I will be doing some hand pies, pumpkin chocolate hand pies. Okay, that's enough talking. Thanks again for watching. All right, bye.